Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. This is KIDSYD. So what we focus on today, we're gonna go for adlibs. So last week I showed you how to mix the vocal for this song, and then today we're gonna go for the adlibs. So this is it that we are going for.
KIDSYD, oh yeah. I don't change the pace until the finish. I just shake my thing and you just shake your teeth. Ice, then in the roof, stuck around the feelings kinda good. I kissing the boob, Fuck.
Yeah, so the first thing that we do, still we're gonna go for it. We're gonna click to this icon and then go to the page corrector, and then after you are there, let me do it for those who are new to the channel. And if you're new to this channel, you are welcome. So we go to this type of thing, and then we go to the scale, and our scale here is -C. We did search the scale last week, so I'm gonna do it again. And then our adlibs is on 6. It's on track number 6. So
KIDSYD.
yeah, so our auto tune, we go to our auto tune, or this is the vocal without the auto tune.
KIDSYD, oh yeah. Yeah.
And remember guys, like I have 2 vocals. I recorded the 2 vocals, so before we can even go to mixing, I recorded 2 vocals here. So we have the first one, we pen the first one about 22% to the right, and then we pen the other one 22% to the left. Sometimes we pen them 50%, sometimes we pen 100%, so it depends on each and every song, and we can change this by any time. So the first thing that we do, we pen them left and right, and then now we can go for mixing. That's why you hear 2 vocals here. They are on the same channel. Let me track. They are on the same track. So the first thing that we did, we add auto tune. So we go to the scale. This is minor, remember, and then this is C. Now we're gonna go for C hash or whatever. And then input type, we go to alto or tenor, and then our retune speed is about 7, and then the humanize is about 12. So this is the same as those ones that we did last week, so it's the very same project. So yeah, this is the vocal with only auto tune in it.
KIDSYD, oh yeah. Yeah. You just see your teeth. KIDSYD,
Without
KIDSYD, oh yeah.
And then the next thing that we do, we add a fruity parameter EQ. So we cut a lot of the lows, and then we boost the highs, and then we boost the highs and the mids here. So we kinda over boosted them, but this is what this song I feel like needs. Yeah, and then let's listen to the vocal with the auto tune and the fruity parameter EQ in it.
KIDSYD, oh yeah.
Without Yeah, so we hear the difference. So we add a maximus for DS. So we go to, we have a maximus. Who is maximus? Oh, please. I can see the maximus, guys, please. Anyway, we go to the maximus, and then we come to the presets. Here we have two presets that we can go with here: split blend and the narrow band. So for this one I chose the narrow band, and then after the maximus we go to the sangudizer. And remember, last time we had this like this amount, but now we have the low amount.
Kinda sweet. Oh yeah. Yeah. You just see your titties.
Yeah, and then after a sangudizer we add a fruity stereo enhancer, and then remember from the presets we go for strings. Oh, but this one we took the default one. So we go to a fruity, we add a fruity stereo enhancer, and then this is the default settings here.
Kinda sweet. Oh yeah. Yeah.
And then we
You just see your titties.
for strings.
Kinda sweet. Oh yeah.
And then after fruity enhancer, after fruity stereo enhancer we go to the fruity compressor, and then our threshold is about minus 23.1 dB, our ratio is about 3.3:1, and then our gain is about 7. So let's listen to the vocal with the compressor.
Kinda sweet. Oh yeah.
And then we add a fruity flanges, and then we play with the mix level here. So
Kinda sweet.
and to be honest guys, mixing these vocals, when you add your effects here, please switch on your lead vocals or your vocals to hear what is it that you are doing.
Kinda sweetness. Visit if. Give me that is looking kinda sweetness. Visit if you wanna see my fitness. I don't change the pace until the finish. I just shake my thing and you just shake your titties. Eyes stare in the roof.
You can clearly hear like they sound good. So anyway, after fruity flanges we go to our reverb. So we play with the size, I don't know if, yeah, size like 100, room size 100, separation 100%, what is, yeah, 100%. We have minus 100% and we have 100%. So we go for 100%, and then we increase the width. Let's listen to the vocal with the fruity reverb.
Kinda sweet. Oh yeah. You just see your titties. Eyes stare in the roof.
Yeah, and then after reverb we add a delay. We have a delay too, so we decrease cutoff to 6%, and then our time is about 3 to 4.6, or you can put it at 4. Let me put it 4, and then we are good to go with the delay. So let's listen.
Kinda sweet. Oh yeah. You just see your titties in the roof. Feel it's kinda good in the boob. Now she coming too.
Yeah, so after fruity delay, we add a fruity split. So let's listen to the vocal.
Kinda sweet.
So actually what I like to do after, this is the default one, and then I'm gonna tap to this arrow here, and then for the low main output I'm gonna drop it down, and then like completely down, and then we are left with a main output and then the high main output. So we increase, but with listening to the vocal. And remember guys, I only did this because I just wanted you to hear the background vocal.
Gimme, that is looking kinda sweetness. Visit if you wanna see my fitness. I don't change the pace until the finish. I just shake my thing and you just shake your titties. Ice, stay in the roof. Stuck around the feel is kinda good.
Yeah, so
gimme.
On our fruity splitter here, we're gonna increase our main output, and then we increase the
Gimme, that is looking kinda sweetness. Visit if you wanna see my fitness. I don't change the pace until the finish. I just shake my thing and you just shake your titties. Ice, stay in the roof. Stuck around the feel is kinda good. Kissing the boob.
If you like the video, please leave a like, comment if you have something to say, and then please don't forget to subscribe. Peace.
Gimme, that is looking kinda sweetness. Visit if you wanna. Oh yeah.